and it is very true that you can earn 800 US dollars in 8 hours on YouTube with AdSense. AdSense is a type of payment that is available to all content creators on YouTube using AdSense partnership. Welcome to today's video where I'll show you how you can earn 800 US dollars in just 8 hours on YouTube with AdSense payments. If you're looking to make serious money online, stick around as I share the secret to maximizing your earnings with one of the powerful and most tool available to content creators, to YouTubers, which is YouTube AdSense. You guys, I would love to thank you everybody that is around and who has been sticking around on this YouTube channel, that is Immaculate Show. Immaculate Show is saying thank you very much for being our royal viewers, our returning viewers, and for the new ones, you are most welcome. This channel majorly talks about how to maximize your earnings on all social media platforms and in particular YouTube, and at the same time it talks about how to make sure you be successful as far as financial freedom is concerned using using your smartphone and using the apps online, using the internet, making money online in 2024, in 2023, in all years without any investment. There are grants and many more things. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you variety of steps, variety of ways of how you can maximize and earn 800 US dollars in just 8 hours. When we talk about 8 hours, we mean 8 hours. I know there are some doubting Thomas who are going to say, oh, Christine, you are lying. Can it happen? Yes, it can happen. It has happened. And we are going to see the steps on how you can achieve this. First thing first, let's dive in. Your niche matters. When we talk about your niche, it's a lot we are talking about. A lot to make, really a lot to make 800 US dollars. You might think it is too much money in 8 hours. But when we are going to dive in and talk about the niche, what the meaning of the niche and which niche can make you high rocket and run to $800, you'll appreciate it. Now, your niche matters a lot. To make $800 in 8 hours, you need to focus on one of the highest paying niches. These niches are very many, but they include education, they include finance, they include technology, they include real estates, they include online business, this one I'm telling you about, and they include many more that we'll be seeing in other videos. By creating content, by creating education videos, by creating things around these high paying niches, you attract advertisers willingly to pay premium rates for the ads on your videos. When we talk about we attract advertisers, in our previous videos, or even if you can check on this screen, there's you can see this screenshot and the screen recording, whereby we are showing you what advertisers pay. Advertisers can pay from $1 or nothing to even $50 per ad on your video. So the moment the advertisers pay a lot of money, one of our highest pay advertisers payments is $38.2. When they put $32.8 and your video is running, even if it is watched for 8 or 5 minutes, even if it is watched for 3 minutes, and you're high recording it, you go up to 1K to 3K views, I'm telling you, you are going to meet your goal of getting $800 on a daily on 8 hours. Now the second thing to base on, and the second tip for you to get this $800 on YouTube using AdSense only, not using even affiliate marketing, not using a selling of your projects and products, you can concentrate on only AdSense and get this amount of money. The second thing is creating variable and high engagement content. What I've come to discover in this the world of YouTube, the moment of content creation, people are there to consume your product. Your product is what you're giving them. The content you're giving them matters so much. So I can take an example of our videos. The video you just wake up and throw there, when it has content, it runs like nothing, because that's what the public, that's what the audience, that's what your customers, that's what your guests, that's what your clients want to consume. But when you bring something that has it has no value, it is not solving a need, it is not entertaining, it is not giving them what they should feed on, they don't watch. Next, focus on creating variable content that resonates with your audience. High engagement, likes, comments, shares, and watch time is crucial for boosting your video's visibility and increasing your AdSense revenue. Remember, YouTube rewards videos that keep viewers engaged. You guys, I was telling you in our recent videos, if you go and check the traffic, where the traffic comes from on your videos, and you find it comes from YouTube search or engagement or browsing, that is very good. So when you create this high engagement, high variable and engagement content, people come and engage. If you go to your back end, you'll find they are going to show you how people reacted, how people shared, how people even went ahead to comment, even they go ahead to recommend it. That is so good. The moment YouTube senses that, it also recommends it, and the advertisers pay more than that. The more the people watch your video, of course, the more the duration, and the more the duration, the more the amount of money. Thank you very much for that. Let's go to the third step for you to make sure that you earn this $800. For you to earn this $800 in 8 hours, you have to optimize your videos for the CEO. CEO, you guys, I know you're asking yourself, Christine, what is CEO? But you're going to know it as we move. To get more views and maximize your earnings, you need to optimize your videos. YouTube CEOs using high searchable keywords in your titles, in your description, in your tags. For example, include phrases like earn money on YouTube. This is what I adopted these days after knowing what is there. Make 800 fast, and high paying YouTube niches and high paying YouTube niches. You are not supposed to miss these high key searchable words. This will help your videos rank higher in search results, bringing more views and AdSense revenue. For somebody out there, if you are asking yourself what is SEO, these are high searchable words, high keywords that make YouTube push. What exactly are people searching for? For example, if I take you here on my niche, the most high searchable word or keyword that is being searched right now, it is making money online. So when we put like making money online, you'll find it has a high number, or it has a high percentage, and its competition, yeah, its competition is high, but it is paid highly. So if you see this graph, you are asking yourself, where, Christine, are you getting this one? I'm getting it from VIDQ. So using the CEOs, we have been talking about it, it brings your video closer to the public, closer to very many people. So try this, and if you want to know more about the CEOs, please write it in the comment section. Go to our comment section and write it there. We make a whole video about the CEOs and VIDQ. Then another step or another technique for you to make sure that you earn this $800 in 8 hours. The step 4 is monetize with AdSense. Once your videos are optimized and gaining traction, it's time to monetize with AdSense. Make sure your channel meets the eligibility requirements, at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Then enable monetization in your YouTube settings. Every ad that plays on your video brings you closer to that 800 mark. When we talk about that, what comes into our minds as content creators or social media entrepreneurs is, I need to reach 1,000 followers and 4,000 watch hours. And we don't concentrate on the CEOs. We don't concentrate on variable engagement, engaged content. We don't concentrate on other things like niche. We only concentrate on reaching the 4,000 and reaching the 1,000. So at the end, when you reach it, you find you are not earning anything. But suppose you started from the beginning concentrating on the CEOs. The moment you do this, it brings you near to the 4,000 watch hours, and at the same time it brings you near to the people following you back. You will get your one video is having more than 100 subscribers, and in this you're gaining twice, because at the end of the day, when you monetize you with AdSense, you go back and switch on all these videos, you switch on your monetization, you'll find you're reaching near $800 a day, not only from the from the current video, but also it makes you the already posted before videos, the old videos, if they are still going green, They make you come closer. They contribute to this current video to reach your $800 in 8 hours. The last but not least step, no, not the last step, we're going to look at another tip, which is track your earnings and optimize further. You people, let me tell you, it is very good to track your earnings. Most of us, we already know we can go to YouTube Studio and just check that. But how, when you go to your YouTube Studio and see how much it has brought for you, how many hours, that is as far as watch hours, do you go to the extent of watching the graph, and you see where do optimize it? Where did the people watch up to which mark, and why do you think it was there? Then you even open your video and you're like, okay, people dropped from here. So what was the word that I used here? Then you check. Or people who hiked from here were concentrating to watch up to this mark. What was there? You see the words you used there. The moment you do that, you see geography, you see everything that is included there. You know how to do and how to optimize it more and more for you to get more money. So track, you should track which videos are bringing in. No, what you do, you need to track which videos are bringing in the most AdSense revenue, and focus on creating more content in that style or niche constantly. Refine your strategy to increase your earnings, aiming to hit that $800 in 8 hours target. I know some people, this brings us to the explanation. You can see some people, when I was beginning this business, I used to make a video and you just leave there. Then you look for another niche, you look for another niche. You look for another video, you look for another topic. But you can even make one video, you replicate it with differently but the same meaning, because it is earning, it is bringing for you money. If earning money on YouTube is bringing for you money, it can bring for you $800 a day. Why not replicate it? Why not do it over and over again? When I say why not do it over and over again, I don't mean that you download that one, you post it. No, you again make a video in a different way, but almost similar way. There is something that you're going to talk about that video in an unique way, then you post it. So keep track on those videos and optimize them more, such that you can get more videos. Then the last but not least, subscribe more tips on making money online. You guys, by following these tips, you can turn your YouTube channel into a profitable income stream. Earning $800 or more in just 8 hours with AdSense. Don't forget, subscribe for more tips, you guys. Because if you subscribe for more tips on making money online and hit the notification bell on this video, hey, you are going to increase your earnings, you're going to increase your CPRM, you're going to increase your subscribers, and you're going to even increase on your knowledge of YouTube. You guys, I would love to thank you, but before I thank you, I want to make this clear. Making $800 in 8 hours, that is a day, might be a bit tricky, might be a bit hard if your video is not optimized well. But this 8 hours, we can distribute it even in 8 days, no matter what. I don't mean that you have to do it in per day. If it was that, we would be very rich. So in an hour, I mean every hour, we can get some money. We can get some money. For every 30 minutes out of that video, we can get some money, to make some amount of money. We can distribute it in 8 days, we can distribute it in 12 hours, but when there are 8 hours, you get me right now. Please get me very right. For people who watched up to this end, you are going to know what I meant. Because if a video is evergreen, it means there's some certain peak hour that people come to watch it. So the moment they come to watch it, they come to watch it. At the end of the day, in 8 hours, I don't care whether 8 hours took 8 days, but every day, because someone will not be on that video for the whole day. No, can be on the video for 2 or for 1 hour, for 30 minutes, depending how many are they and which type of video is it. So thank you guys. Please, I want you to go and exercise whatever we're talking about. And also, if you have something in mind, please don't hesitate to go in the comment section. Our videos are education videos. These are tutorial videos. So we need interact. Please don't go without liking this video. Your like matters, your engagement matters a lot for us. Don't forget to put your comment. Thank you. Meet you in another video.